bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we are going to an event. We are going to Igloo, their spring bling edition, aka HoeChella. Igloo happens every few months or so. It's one of my favorite events to attend. You can, as the name implies, bring your own igloo filled with liquor, filled with drinks, ice, whatever it is that you want. You go is usually in a big open field, which I absolutely love. You drink, you smoke, you have fun, you go with your peoples, whatever. For this video, I'm gonna be showing you what I wore, where the crowd looked, what the crowd looked like, you know, everything, the whole nine. So let's go. First things first, we have to get a wig, which is the wig that I'm currently wearing. I installed it the Friday night after purchasing. When did I purchase it? The same Friday, yeah. So I installed it the Friday night, slept in it Saturday, Sunday, wake up, wear it, go to Igloo, and actually took it off this morning and reinstalled it, but instead of gluing it down, I just used the spray. Straying from the point, so that's that with the wig. The wig, I call it Yosemite, but the Americans are letting me know here on YouTube that it's Yosemite, like the park. So whether it's Yosemite, Yosemite, or Yosemite Sam, this is the wig. It's a human hair blend. It was on sale for $29.99. I tried on the burgundy. I got it in a number 2. On to the outfit. The outfit is courtesy of K Dolce Boutique, K Dolce online. You can find them on Instagram. You can find them via their website. I'll leave the links in the bio for both. As I was unboxing, right, I took 3 things out of that packaging. Very cute packaging, by the way. I got a dress called Body Yaddy, a green crop top, I forget the name, and a pair of shorts, I forget the name. I initially was going to wear the green crop top with the shorts and then my green bubble slides with some like scrunchy socks. I thought it was gonna be so cute. Put the outfit on and I was like, okay, this is not giving what I was picturing in my head. So I was like, okay, Lori, think. Bright colors are where it was suggested to be worn because it is their spring igloo, their spring whatever, spring bling. Let's call it spring bling HoeChella, okay? And I really wanted to wear the short because it had so many different colors in it. So I'm thinking. I'm like, oh yeah, I just got those stuff from Rainbow. I could do the black crop top with black socks and the slides. Tried it on, I looked dumb. So I was like, all right, clear the bubble slides are not gonna work. So I ended up wearing my Vans and the white crop top instead of the black, and then a scarf on my head, because after doing all the gluing and all of this, I'm like, knowing me and the way that I sweat, we're not gonna chance the wig coming off at Igloo. Okay, so I threw a scarf with the fit, threw on my TheFourFiveFour bag, some rings, a bracelet, my watch, and I was good to go, and my oversized sunglasses just to set the look off. Okay, so that is what we wore. Period. So this top will just wash off.
No, what's it you?
And this is a large, you know.
These are the double X.
I have different tops though.
Okay, yeah. No, that's Kyle.
Hello. Purse, little joints, cell phone, tickets. Can't grab tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4 we're supposed to have?
Yes.
Okay.
Me, you, Vivian. Sarah came for her
Bottle.
No, they took everything.
Hold on, wait. She getting the angle. She stood out. Wait, watch the video.
Anybody who know you're on the arm, smell good, put 2 Anybody who would know nobody can disrespect the king, can disrespect your mom. If you cannot sing this next Buju, cut it, two more, man, cut it. We're skipping. Everybody do it, it's easy. Do it.
That one I am excellent. My knees are so. But I have another one. Okay.
Do it, do it.
Ready?
Right. Everybody do it. Rico Suave, I was here. Igloo. We're skipping. I want to go to put up your burner.
Hollywood. Not the artist Spice, the club Spice. Spice, downtown Hollywood. Alright? It's like 10.
Because we're trying to get KFC.
Where's the wall?
By the end of the night, I was starving. My husband's parents, because I went with my husband and his sisters and his sister's husband, which is my brother-in-law. And yeah, it was a really good time. We went back to his parents' house. They had batata fritters waiting, so we had that, and they actually, their mom dropped us off at the event and then picked us up afterwards. It was literally so perfect. Like the day from I woke up that day, it was just a good day. It ended on a good note. We stopped at KFC, got a 3-piece, and the girl was like, oh, we have our legs. I'm like, oh my Jesus, the perfect night. Okay, so I got my chicken legs, I got my fries, I got my biscuit. I only like KFC biscuit. I don't like Popeyes because Popeyes too dry. Anyways, and yeah, Igloo was kind of lit. Igloo was fun. I enjoyed literally my entire Sunday was so perfect. Was so perfect. Oh my gosh. If you were at Igloo, comment down below and let me know how your experience was. Yeah, did you see me? Did I see you? It did start to rain a little bit, I will say, but it was nothing too crazy. Food was there, like it wasn't like no regular like jerk man. It was literally food trucks there. Like, these Jamaican events are stepping it up, and I love that for us. I love that for us. Like, you had 2 or 3 food options, like actual trucks, Jamaican food. Like, it did nice. And I got a free Igloo cup. I don't even know where it is now. I probably leave it at the house or something, but I got a free Igloo cup upon entry because I didn't have a cup in my hand. They're probably like, oh, she need a cup. I love that for me. If you have any comments, if you want me to, if you think I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.